Hello everyone, and welcome back to How People Lived. Have you ever wondered how our ancestors survived without supermarkets or modern tools? How did they put food on the table when facing the raw, untamed wilderness? Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of primitive hunting techniques, exploring the ingenuity and skill that allowed early humans to thrive. Forget what you see in the movies. This was about deep knowledge of the environment, incredible patience, and a respect for nature that we can still learn from today. So how did they do it? One of the most fundamental methods was persistence hunting. Imagine this. Instead of a quick chase, hunters would track an animal for hours, sometimes even days under the hot sun. They weren't necessarily faster, but they were smarter. Humans can sweat to cool down, a huge advantage over most animals that have to pant. By relentlessly pursuing their prey, they would eventually exhaust it, making the final approach much safer and more successful. It was a marathon, not a sprint, a true test of endurance and mental fortitude. Of course, they didn't just rely on running. Trapping was a game changer. Our ancestors were master engineers of the natural world. They'd create deadfall traps using heavy logs and a delicate trigger system, or snares from vines and flexible saplings, strategically placed on game trails. These passive hunting methods were incredibly efficient, allowing them to catch food while they focused on other essential tasks like gathering plants or tending to the camp. They had to understand animal behavior perfectly, where they walked, what they ate, and how they reacted to their surroundings. And let's not forget about tools. The evolution from simple sharpened sticks to the atlatl, or spear thrower, was a massive leap. The atlatl acted as a lever, dramatically increasing the power and range of a thrown spear. This allowed hunters to take down larger, more dangerous game from a safer distance. It required immense skill to master, but was a revolutionary piece of technology. It's this combination of physical endurance, clever engineering, and technological innovation that truly defines the spirit of the primitive hunter. These ancient skills remind us of a time when we were deeply connected to the world around us. It wasn't just about survival. It was a way of life built on observation, patience, and incredible resourcefulness. Thanks for joining us on this journey back in time. If you enjoyed this glimpse into the past, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next adventure on How People Lived. See you next time.